I would just like to say, you don't have to tell me what I said. I know what I said, because I said it. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post, because I'm going to be posting more than once a year now. Oh my God. I'm going to just slide in here and act like I didn't say what I said. What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay, and today I'm gonna dye my hair. Because if I don't dye my hair, I'm gonna comb these out. These are the two colors that I will be using today, tonight. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Cinnamon and Cajun spice. So, the first thing I have to do though is bleach my hair. I need to lift this out of my hair. Okay, so let's do that. I have some bleaching powder. I have 2 packs. I think that should be enough. Because I don't have, like, my hair is short. Bald head.
Watch your profanity.
I got me a little Chinese takeout bowl. So I got 30 volume developer. 30 to volume is what I'm going to be using today. I'm not going to be using 20 because 20 isn't strong enough for my hair. I'm not going to be using 40 because I am terrified. Oh my God. It keeps going up my nose. Like, do I need to open a window? Am I going to die from the fumes? I'm wearing a shirt that I don't care about. I do not go to DeVry. I stole this shirt. I have a vision, okay? I got a plan, Tasha. I got a plan. No, but I want some pieces to be way lighter than others. So, what I'm thinking is, I put bleach on random throughout my head so that those can process longer so that they can be blonder. Does that make sense? Y'all about to be chewing me up in the comments, bro. Y'all gonna be like, why is she doing it like that? Because. Now you know you need to subscribe. I'm gonna be posting more than once a year and then disappear for another year. I'm so sorry. Like, literally, angry text messages, random Snapchats. Every time I buy something. You gonna make a video about this? What? I just went grocery shopping. Like, what is there to see? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go off camera now, let my hair process, you know, wash the bleach out, blah, 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 blah. And then I'll come back when it's time to dye my hair. Stay tuned, you guys. Y'all, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired, okay? I'm tired. If you see this part of the video, comment red light special, just because. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go play Among Us for 30 minutes. Let's hope I don't fall asleep. If I do fall asleep, Alright, so it is several days later because I got lazy. I definitely slept with that hair dye in my hair well into the afternoon. I waited about a week, not a week, maybe a week. I don't even know what day it is right now. So what I did was, for some reason on the camera, my roots showed up super black, but they weren't. They were orange. What was black was the hair from my last retwist. It came down when it got wet. So obviously if it was twisted up, it didn't get bleach on the inside. So when I washed it out, it came down, black spots. Okay? I put bleach in the spots that needed it, and then I just dyed on top of that. So my hair's fine now. Also, I bleached my eyebrows, and then I dyed them the same color that I dyed my hair. So, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed watching me struggle at 3 o'clock in the morning, make sure you subscribe because I didn't do this for nothing. Make sure you follow me on both Instagrams. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Snapchat. So that's it for me. I'm gonna go stuff my face with pasta. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I need like a thumbnail, but I don't think my neck can get no longer. I can fake it.